Hey viewers, welcome back again to lovely Curve Queen's channel, where I share with you the latest news and trends about plus-size fashion and beauty. I'm so happy to see you here, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I have a special treat for you. I'm going to introduce you to one of the most amazing plus-size models in the world, Mythiccal. She is a gorgeous and inspiring woman who is breaking stereotypes and promoting body positivity with her stunning photos and videos. So let's get started and check out some of her fabulous content. Mythiccal is a plus-size model who lives in Florida, USA. She was born on July 19th and she is of Cuban descent. She has a gorgeous hourglass figure with body measurements of 42, 32 and 48 inches. She has long brown hair and brown eyes, and she loves to experiment with different hairstyles and makeup looks. Mythiccal is very active on Instagram, where she has over 450,000 followers. She posts reels of herself modeling different outfits, dancing, singing, and having fun. She also shares stories of her life and her fitness journey. She often collaborates with other plus-size models and influencers. Mythiccal is not only a beautiful model, but also a smart and talented woman. She has a degree in psychology, and she's passionate about helping people with mental health issues. She is also a singer and songwriter, and she has released some of her original songs on Spotify and SoundCloud. She is also an avid gamer, and she enjoys playing games like Call of Duty, Fortnite, and Among Us. Mythiccal is an empowering role model for women of all shapes and sizes. She embraces her curves and flaunts them with confidence and style. She encourages her followers to love themselves and their bodies and to live their lives to the fullest. Don't forget to follow her on Instagram to see more of her awesome content. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about this amazing plus-size model. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Lovely Curve Queens, for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day and stay fabulous.